Hello. So I'm Nana Paul and I've come to your screen once again. So in this episode, we are going to learn how to optimize our YouTube videos. You see, we put in much effort to create the video. Then the effort that we use to create the video, we do not use the same effort to optimize our YouTube videos. So what do we mean by optimizing your YouTube video? So let's say you've created a video. What is the title? What is the hashtag? Or what is the keyframe that you have to do to help push your video for other people to watch? You see, all these things matters. You might think they are not important, but they are really much important, especially you as a beginner. You have to do all these things. Or when you come to a higher level, you can ignore all this. So in this episode, I'll be teaching you how to give a good title, a good hashtag, good description, and keyframe.
Oh my god! Wow!
All these things matters. They all matter. So stick to the end of this video as I teach you how to create a good YouTube optimization. So let's go straight to the to CapCut. So let's say this is the video you want to post on YouTube. So saving this video, you have to save the video as the title you'll be saving on your YouTube. So you have to save it as the title you'll be saving on YouTube. So let's say I want to make my title how to make your video go viral. You have to save it as that on CapCut before you download it into your gallery, okay? So that when you are uploading it on YouTube will pick the file's name. You see, when you save it, it will save as the file's name. So YouTube will take the file's name. This is different from title, okay? So when you're done, we go to Chrome, then we search for vidIQ. Then when we get vidIQ, we will going to type the title that we saved the video with. Then vidIQ will give us a number of titles, suiting titles that are eye-catchy, okay? Titles that can generate or make your video go viral, okay? These are titles that relate to your video. So let's type our title to chat vidIQ, then how to make your video go viral on YouTube, okay? Then we tap on generate. So vidIQ would give us a number of titles we can choose from. This is one, unlocking the viral success secret to make your video go viral. So I think I like the first one, so I'll copy the first one. Then we'll move to the next level. The next level is to go to ChatGPT. You see, there are a lot of things you have to do when you are done creating a video. You don't just post. So moving to ChatGPT, we will paste the title we copied to ChatGPT for it to give us description, hashtags, and keywords. This is because ChatGPT can give you keywords and description that are relating to your video that people are searching for. So we'll ask ChatGPT to give us description, then hashtags, then I think keywords. All these things are relating to the video. So when you read it well, you could see that it is really relating to the video you are creating. And it's because of the title, it will generate exact description, hashtags, and keywords to your video. So we will come straight to our video. Then we'll come and upload the video. So let me look for a video to upload. So in the process of uploading, you will go and copy the title, the description, the hashtags, all of the work we've done to come and paste on YouTube, okay? In my next video, I'll be showing you how to upload. When you create a video, you do not just upload. There is a ways and means of uploading. I'll show you how to upload and I'll show you how to create a good thumbnail. All these things come in place to make your video go viral. So I'm Nana Paul. In my next video, I'll show you how to create a good thumbnail and how to upload a YouTube video that can also help your video go viral. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video.